Hey guys, I got my new Ring Floodlight Cam in the mail today. Wanted to do a quick unboxing video for you. Some nice packaging here. This is their brand new Floodlight Cam. Pretty excited about it. Alright, let's go ahead and open this thing up. Say hello to Ring. Ring has a nice camera on this one. Got your, looks like an instruction manual here. We have I'm not sure if that's a sticker, it looks like a sticker for the window. A quick start guide. Install guide. Well, 27 pages on that. Hopefully it's not that hard though. And a user guide, which has, looks like 11 pages there. And just a reminder that if you have a light switch that's controlling the actual unit, you do want to leave that on and not turn that on and off. So let's take a look at the actual unit here. There's something else here, installation kit. So I also had the Ring doorbell, so it looks like a similar screwdriver here with the Torx head and the Phillips head there. Some wire nuts, and it looks like some mounting screws, 4 screws, and 2 nuts to go on the other end. We have a S hook here, and some sort of socket wrench. Looks like that could go into a drill or a socket and then fit the other end. Again, I haven't read anything, I just wanted to do a quick unboxing and show what's in the box. Let's take a look here. So you're looking at an upside down view here. And actual unit. See the camera, it's got the 2 floodlights on the side. Looks like the speaker's built in here for the siren. right below the camera. Probably also the microphone. Looks like maybe an IR sensor there. Let's take a look at the other side. The mounting plate. Some of the wiring here. I'm not really going to take all that apart or anything and look at the manual. So here's just a look at the face of the lights. Again, LEDs. So I hope this gave you a good idea of what this Ring Floodlight Cam, excuse me, will be, and we'll get this installed and maybe do another video at that time. Thanks for watching. Please leave any comments below.